Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the username on your Threads account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in threads.net and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Threads website. If you haven't logged into your account already, log into your account using your Instagram. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to change your username, then click on the menu icon at the bottom left and then click on Settings. Now, within the Settings page, click on Account and then click on Personal Information. This will then take you into your Account Center page. Now, since the Threads platform is linked with your Instagram account, you will need to change the username of your Instagram as well in order to change your Threads name. So click on Profile and then click on the right arrow alongside your profile. You will now see the username section. Go ahead and click on it and then click on your Instagram username. Once you proceed forward with this option, you will be allowed to change your Instagram username right away. Once you make your desired changes, click on the Save button and it will be saved within your Meta Account Center. And now it will also be applied to your Threads account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on your Threads account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.